In this video, we're going to be looking at nets. So when a 3D shape is opened out, it's called a net. So you can see the examples here. Like we have a cuboid. So imagine if that's a box, and all the cardboard used to make the box then, so when you open it all out, will look like this. Same with the cube here. So you can see it's opened out and it will look like this. So we need to be able to draw these. So we need to be given a 3D shape, and we're going to draw the net from that. So let's say we have to draw the net for this cuboid below. Now, this cuboid, when it's drawn out, the net will look like this over here on the right. And you can see how I've color-coded it. You have the base, we have the back of the shape, we have the top, the front, the right side and the left side. So the measurements then of this, so we can see the length is going to be 5. The width then, so of the base, will be 3. Okay, so if that's the base then, the top will be the same. So we'll have 3 here, 3 here. And then the right side and left side and the height will be 4. Okay, so there are the measurements there on the right. And now, it's important to note as well that the base and top are congruent, and remember that congruent means the same. So the back and front are the same, the left side and right side are the same. Okay, so it's always easier when they give you squared paper to do this. So if we have to draw this one out, let's start off by drawing the base. So our base is going to be 4 by 2. Okay, so drawing that, so 4 and 2 as the base. Then the right side we're going to cross 3, then 2 as the width. Have the same on the left side, so the height of 3, then the width of 2. Now for the front and the back then, so again height of 3 and the width stays as 4. Okay, so we have the sides, we have the front and the back, and now we need the top of it, so which will be the same then as the base. So like that. Now obviously I'm doing this freehand. Make sure when you do this you're using a ruler. So I'm just going to colour in then the ones that are the same. So they'll be the same. These will be the same. And these will be the same. Okay, let's have a look at another one. Okay, so again, let's draw the base first. So that's going to be 2 by 2. Okay, so now the right side. So the height is 5, so we'll go 5 boxes across. And the other way as well for the left side, so 5 boxes across. So again, make sure you use a ruler when you're doing this. Okay, so then we're going to have the height then, so for the back of it, so again 5. In the front, 5 boxes. Okay, so we have the left, right, and the front and the back. And then just we need the top, so that'll be 2 by 2 again. So the base and the top are the same. We have the right side and the left side, and then the front and the back. Okay, so let's start off by drawing the base, and that would be 4 by 6. So I'm going 4 boxes, then down 6. Now the front and the back, we have triangles. So the height of the triangle is 3, so 3 boxes, and then let's just connect that up. Same with the other side, so 3 boxes, then connect. Okay, again, making sure you're using a ruler when you're doing this. Okay, so now we need to get the top, but we're missing a measurement here. So I can see I have a right angle triangle, 3 and 4. So in the right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras. So we don't have the hypotenuse, but the hypotenuse squared is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. So that means h squared is going to be equal to 25. So h is equal to the square root of 25. So h is equal to 5. So our hypotenuse is 5. So then drawing that means I'm going to go out 5 boxes. And join it up. Okay, so I have my base here. Front and the back are the same. Then the top is different. Okay, and that's it. So just again with this, make sure you're using a ruler. Obviously I was doing a freehand because I don't have a ruler using this, but when you're doing this, make sure you're using a ruler.